Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Backtrack on your Apple Watch Ultra. This powerful feature is designed to help you navigate back to your starting point, especially when exploring unfamiliar or off-grid locations. It acts like a digital breadcrumb trail, using your watch's precise GPS to remember every step you take. This provides immense peace of mind during outdoor adventures, ensuring you can always find your way back safely. To begin recording your route, first open the Compass app on your Apple Watch Ultra. You'll see a small footsteps icon in the bottom right. Tap this to initiate Backtrack. Then, select Record Path. For even quicker access, you can customize your action button in settings to start Backtrack with a single press. Once activated, the footsteps icon will change to a pause button, indicating your route is being saved. When it's time to head back, simply tap the pause icon within the Compass app. From the options presented, select Retrace Steps. Your Apple Watch Ultra will then display a clear white line on the compass, representing the path you've taken. A white arrow will also guide you in the correct direction. Follow this visual trail and the white dot marking your starting point to effortlessly navigate your way back. Remember, Backtrack is designed for remote settings, where Wi-Fi and cellular might be unavailable. It relies on GPS, so it won't factor in elevation changes or physical barriers. Always start with a well-charged Apple Watch Ultra, as continuous GPS usage consumes battery. After safely returning to your starting point, it's good practice to tap the Backtrack icon and choose Delete Path to clear your recorded route, keeping your watch tidy for your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.